In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Mailchimp account. If you're sure about saying goodbye to Mailchimp, this guide will walk you through the process in the simplest way possible. So, let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Mailchimp homepage. Once you've logged in, look to the right-hand corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see several options, but for now, you'll want to click directly on Profile. This is your first step in getting to your account settings, which is where we need to go to complete this task. Upon selecting Profile, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll notice tabs at the top, indicating different settings options. Focus your attention on opening the Settings drop-down tab, which is usually found just next to your main profile options. The drop-down should give you a list of additional settings choices. From this list, search for and click on Manage My Plan. This step is crucial as it leads you closer to closing your account for good. On the Manage My Plan page, you're going to look for an option that might be lingering toward the bottom of the page, labeled Delete My Account. Click this when you're ready to proceed. By selecting Delete My Account, Mailchimp is ensuring you don't mistakenly delete your account. At this point, you'll be asked for a final confirmation. Look for the button that says Continue to Delete. Before you click, just take a moment to be absolutely sure this is what you want to do, because this action is irreversible. Once you've clicked Continue to Delete, you have officially initiated the process of closing your Mailchimp account. That's it. You've successfully completed the steps to delete your Mailchimp account. Before we wrap up, it's important to remember that once an account is closed, all data and campaign history are permanently deleted. If there's any chance you might want to return to Mailchimp in the future, consider instead deactivating any campaigns or just unsubscribing from lists to avoid any future charges without losing your complete account data. This process may seem daunting, but with these steps, it should be smooth sailing. I hope you found this guide useful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.